Hi guys, so today we are taking a culinary journey to the coastal region of Mangalore, India with a recipe for authentic Mangalorean Chicken Sukka. This flavorful and aromatic dish is a true celebration of coastal flavors. Tender chicken is cooked with fresh grated coconut infused with blend of spices like red chilies, coriander and cumin. The result is a semi-dry curry that is both spicy and tangy. So grab your ingredients, get ready to embrace the aromas and let's cook this dish together. So now let's begin. So first in a hot pan, dry roast 3 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1/4 teaspoon methi seeds, 8 cloves, and then dry roast it on a medium to low flame. Roast it until it gets a nice light brown color. Then add 6 garlic cloves, 6 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 4 dry red chilies and roast it for a minute. Then add half cup fresh grated coconut and dry roast it until the coconut gets a nice light brown color. As you can see that the coconut has got a nice brown color, then leave it aside and cool it down completely. Then take a mixer jar and add all the spices and roasted coconut. And blend it to a fine powder. So the masala powder is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 2 onions sliced and fry the onion until nice and light brown. Something like this. Then add 1.5 kg chicken cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube, half teaspoon turmeric powder and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the previously made masala and then give it a nice mix. Just make sure that the chicken is nicely coated with the masala. Then cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. Here I have soaked 2 cm round tamarind in water for 20 minutes. Simply squeeze the tamarind to extract the tamarind juice and simply add it to the chicken. Make sure to nicely squeeze it to get as much tamarind juice, as the tamarind juice helps to get a nice flavor. Then simply fry the chicken for about 5 minutes, making sure that the tamarind is nicely cooked with the masalas. Then add 1/3 cup water, add some salt to taste and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for 15 minutes on a medium to low flame. As you can see that the oil is nicely separated. Then give it a nice mix. Then add half cup fresh grated coconut. Add 35 to 40 curry leaves and fry it for about 5 minutes. Until the chicken is nicely cooked. And there you have it guys, a mouth-watering Mangalorean chicken sukka that's sure to impress your friends and family. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for Mangalorean chicken sukka as much as I enjoyed making it for you. It's a true celebration of coastal flavors. I hope you'll try this recipe at home and savor the incredible flavors. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.